आज मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ measurement के बारे में। तो measurement is a unit which is make our life easier to easier. Measurement is a unit which make our life easier to easier means it contain different type of unit like volume, mass, distance, speed, weight, density, etc. So first of all we will tell about all SI unit. The first of all the SI unit of mass is kilogram, weight is Newton, speed is meter per second, I think so, and distance is meter, etc. Volume is a area which occupied by a substance. Means if we that about it occupy means it is also a matter, it occupies some space. No, the space occupied by him is a area occupied by him. Means if it's at a box, it occupies some space. The we will tell the length of an space it covered, and then we will execute. Then the second point we will tell about dash, that is the density. Density is a quantity of an object. The SI unit of density is kilogram meter cube. Kilogram meter 3. Also, the kilogram is one of the SI unit of mass, and then the second is the some volume solid substance. The sum are cubical, cylindrical, cube, etc. The SI unit of mainly solid substance is also kilogram. Means the SI unit of solid substance is kilogram. Means आप अदर किसी भी चीज तो मतलब तो सॉलिड सब्सटेंस है तो उसे आप किलोग्राम में ही बोल सकते हो। मतलब जैसे ये नहीं बोल सकते थी जैसे if we cannot tell that a box is in 10 liters 20 liters, no, it is solid substance, so we'll tell 2 kilogram 3 kilogram or 100 gram 200 gram, etc. The some points of measurement are also Anderson. Andrew John's Anderson discovered or Anderson, which is the SI unit of micrometer. Micrometer is a standard quantity or standard unit of meter also. So the SI unit of micrometer is Anderson. It is used for measuring atom molecules. It is widely used for biology, chemistry, all subjects. It is discovered by Andrew Johnson Anderson, which I repeat it again. He studied from University of Uppsala. The father and the measurement, one of the measurement lesson are theory of relativity, which is discovered by a German American scientist named Albert Einstein, known as the father of modern physics. He got a Nobel Prize. For what? Theory of relativity in 1921. The first person who got in physics Nobel Prize is William G. Roentgen from Germany in 1901. Some Indian scientist, one Indian scientist named C.V. Raman was declared as the physician which got the Nobel Prize for his discovery in Raman effect, in which the light passes through a material and the wavelength of the light and the stature of a material is changed because of energy state of the material molecules. And second is the most unbeatable physician in modern physics is Albert Einstein. So we will repeat, sorry once again, I will repeat it again. So back to the topic. So measurement contain. Second is liquid. The SI unit of liquid is liter. Liquid not another, since I don't liter. It is used for measuring usually liquid object like water, oil, etc. Some machines are also used in measurement for liquid, like one can for labs, also for small tube. You have seen it there. And one of the element are also in liquid are also in periodic table named mercury, which is the good conductor of heat because it is used in thermometer. It on the things you have seen that the when the you have seen in some shopkeepers one metals object is also used known as bean balance. It is commonly a measuring device for measuring solid substance. It's the bean balance in local shopkeeper of India. So that is for today guys. So please like and channel, subscribe this video. And some fact about physics are that the first scientist who got Nobel Prize in Physics from India is the C.V. Raman in 1930. The first female physician who got Nobel Prize in Physics is Marie Curie. And the many more things. Subscribe to this channel and touch the bell icons. Thank you for watching. Bye.